Gunn Acura service has never been better. Open with new extended hours, Monday through Friday from 7 a.m. to 7 p.m. and Saturday from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also offer secure after-hours drop-off. Our certified service managers are here to service your vehicle whenever it's convenient for your schedule. With no appointment necessary, Gunn Acura's doors are always open to our customers. When you arrive, your knowledgeable and friendly service manager will meet you on the drive and check you in with today's latest technology. During your visit, your service manager will record all of your concerns, perform a 360-degree comprehensive walk-around, and check for the latest factory safety recalls, all performed conveniently right at your vehicle. Additionally, every vehicle that visits Gunn Acura's service department will receive a complimentary multi-point inspection to ensure that you and your family are in the safest possible vehicles on the road. While many of our service competitors have oil changes starting as high as $200, here at Gunn Acura, our fully synthetic oil changes start from $59.95 for most vehicles. From basic maintenance services ranging from air filters to brake jobs, we care about our customers getting the best service and the best price, and it shows. Conveniently located by Huebner Oaks, The Rim, Fiesta Texas, and La Cantera Mall, our courtesy shuttle can whisk you away to a fun afternoon of shopping and more, while our factory-trained technicians complete the necessary repairs and maintenance to your vehicle. Should you decide to wait for your vehicle to be serviced, our waiting area offers free Wi-Fi, flat-screen TVs, a private workstation area, and complimentary drinks and snacks for all customers. Once your service is completed, Gunn Acura offers a complimentary wash and vacuum service so your vehicle looks as good as it did the day you brought it home from the dealership. We look forward to seeing you soon. So come visit us at Gunn Acura, your trusted one simple price dealer in San Antonio, Texas.